Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog chews that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Honest Company Beams Ocean Chews Grain-Free Dog Chew Treats. These high-quality chews contain one ingredient, and one ingredient only: wolffish skin. The fish, also known as rock salmon, naturally has no scales, which makes it mess-free and easy treat for your pooch. The fish is native to the colder parts of the Atlantic Ocean, which makes its skin thick and hardy. Perfect for a long-lasting chew. It's made in the USA, in a factory that meets the FDA requirements for human-grade products, and it's non-GMO project verified. The treats are also available in codfish skin. They're also naturally high in omega-3 fatty acids and low in calories. Despite the higher price tag, countless reviewers report that their pups go absolutely wild for them. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Greenies Original Regular Natural Dental Dog Treats. If you're searching for a mouth fresher your dog will love, pick up Greenies Original Regular Natural Dental Dog Treats. These are not only shaped like a toothbrush, but they act like one, too, cleaning your pup's teeth and freshening their breath. The treat's chewy texture is designed to help clean the gum line and to remove plaque and tartar. The natural ingredients are tooth-friendly, too. However, these do contain wheat, and may not be the right choice for dogs on a grain-free diet. Available in several different sizes, make sure to pick the right sized treat for your dog, so they don't accidentally swallow one whole if it's smaller than its mouth. Most dogs can safely eat one a day, although they may be begging you for more. At number 3, we have the Jack and Pup 6-inch premium grade odor-free bully sticks. If you have a pooch that is an aggressive chewer, consider investing in a bag of bully sticks. Depending on the size of your pup and the size of the bully stick, one piece could keep your dog occupied for a full day. These treats made of cow muscle start off firm, then soften as your pup gnaws on it. You'll want to make sure you're buying these from a reputable company. Rest assured, Jack and Pups are made of hormone and antibiotic-free free-range, grass-fed cattle and are processed in a USDA human-grade certified and inspected facility. At number 2, we have the amazing Dog Treats Beef Trachea Dog Chews. Feeding your pup beef tracheas are a great way to help boost their joint function as they age. Not only are these tasty treats high in protein and low in fat, but they are mostly made up of cartilage, which contains chondroitin and glucosamine, two supplements that benefit your pup's joints. Larger dogs in particular are more likely to have hip dysplasia and could benefit from added doses of it in their diets. At a minimum of 6 inches, these treats are the right size for your larger dog's mouth. Amazing Dog Treats are made from free-range, grass-fed cattle and contain no added chemicals. Similar to a bully stick, these will soften as your dog chews on them and they tend to smell a little better than them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Premium Care Stress and Anxiety Calming Treats for Dogs. Whether your pup suffers from separation anxiety, is afraid of thunderstorms, or gets the zoomies every afternoon on repeat, a calming chew can help your best friend chill out. These natural calming treats contain hemp seed oil, chamomile, just like your nightly tea, organic passion flower, valerian root, organic ginger root and L-tryptophan, that same amino acid that's in turkey that makes you so sleepy after a Thanksgiving meal. All wrapped up in a tasty duck-flavored chewy treat. Reviewers say these treats calm their pups down without knocking them out and are perfect for car rides, those days when you have to leave your pup alone, and stormy nights. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.